Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef ramen. First, gather all your ingredients, including your preferred cut of beef, ramen noodles, and a flavorful broth. Next, thinly slice your beef against the grain for tenderness. Don't forget to chop any vegetables you'd like to include, such as green onions, mushrooms, or bok choy. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and a delicious meal. Now, let's cook the beef and prepare the broth. Quickly sear your thinly sliced beef in a hot pan for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until it's nicely browned. Remove the beef and set it aside. In the same pan, or a separate pot, add your beef or chicken broth and bring it to a gentle simmer. Enhance the flavor with a few tablespoons of soy sauce, some grated ginger, and minced garlic. It's time to cook the noodles and assemble your ramen. Cook your ramen noodles according to the package instructions, usually for about 3 to 4 minutes, until they are perfectly al dente. Drain them well and carefully arrange the cooked noodles in a large serving bowl. Next, pour the hot, aromatic broth over the noodles, ensuring they are fully submerged and warm. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and serve your delicious beef ramen. Arrange the seared beef slices on top of the noodles and broth. Add your favorite garnishes, such as chopped green onions, a soft-boiled egg cut in half, and a drizzle of sesame oil. Serve your homemade beef ramen immediately while it's hot and fresh. Enjoy every flavorful spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.